Pr0n.
So this is a quick review of an item I recently received as a result of a postal snafu. Thanks very much to Harlequin. This was going to get posted off to Australia, but it actually cost more to post it than the item cost, so thank you very much for the chance to review this particular piece of kit. This is the Virtex 45 litre Commander's Day Sack. So we're just going to have a look around it from now and see what we get. So just starting at the front, we've got a number of zip pockets that fully open up in the front, as you can see. I can get it sorted. So you've got a number of pockets with useful bits on it, as well as the complete PALS webbing overview. You know, it's like every part of this that can have PALS webbing on it does. So that's really good, and you've got some tightness straps here, ways to clip things on, and all the zip toggles. All the zips are really high quality, and all the zip toggles have got something on. Nice piece of Velcro there. And you've got another main pack here. And then you've got the main compartment inside, which, as you can see, it's kind of bowed over, all over there, and you can get to the strapping in here to completely fully adjust this to your back. So it's really weird, but it does keep the pack off your back. Go round to the back, and it has a very nice backpack. This has just been out in the rain, which is why it looks a bit damp. A very common style of backpack clip for your chest clip. That's fully adjustable, and you've got fully adjustable straps here. Note that all the straps have an elasticated bit to retain them, so you don't need to furnish the pack with your own. As you hear, and here, everything's designed to retain everything so nothing jangles or gets in your way. On the sides, you've got yet more Velcro here and here, which I assume, although I don't know, is to allow the fixing of better rocket straps. So it's not actually possible to zip this together, but you can cinch it up with the provided straps. And again, PALS webbing down here, and a bottle holder. So you can actually put a large bottle in the side and then cinch it shut with straps. I don't know how well that would stand up. And then one of the more interesting bits, if we're going to the top, again, more ID Velcro. This top flap can be zipped up down the sides, and you've got pop studs here, so you can pop it down. So you've got two methods of strapping this down. You've got the Velcro and the pop studs and these side zips. You've then got what I can only liken to a handbag. You've got 1, 2, 3 short pockets at the top here. And I guess this is the commander's backpack, so you know, you want to be able to store command type stuff like radios or notepads and stuff. An interesting point here is, if you can see inside, there's another Velcro bit here. It's got like a rigidity panel. I've no idea what that's for, but it's definitely a fairly good mouse mat, and it definitely make a hard surface to write on. So you've got these 3 top sections, all of which can be cinched up, Velcroed shut, and then you can see that then leads to your main section for all your kit. Again, this is a Daypack. The lid of the Daypack even has, the lid of the main compartment even has another zip compartment. Now, I carried this with about 10 kilos of stuff in it back from the shops, just rucked it back, and all the stuff inside was dry. There's like a, let's just make it, there's like a waterproof coating on the inside, very much like the All Arms Pr0n. So if you put anything in the main compartment, it's probably going to remain dry, no matter how heavy it was raining, and it was raining heavily. For those of you who are interested in such things, there's the NATO's stock number and specifications. If you wanted to look it up, the 45 litre Commander's Day sack. From Virtex, this is just a short vid because Harlequin was kind enough to lend this, to basically give this to me on long loan, and Digital Whiskey definitely wanted to see it, and Slow wanted to see it, so I've just made this as a very short video so you've got something to have a look at. Thanks very much for watching.